Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for today's video, it is our Macy's beauty box. But before I get into the box, I just want to remind all of you, if you like my channel, if you like the type of videos that I post on here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to ring that little notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up as well. So let's get into this box. I already went ahead and opened the box itself because this one is actually really hard to open. Like I can't just take a blade and cut the tape because it's just really weird the way that they built this box. So I went ahead and did that. For those of you that don't know about this one, this is a $15 a month subscription and you do get deluxe size samples. We occasionally get a full size sample, which are not a full size sample, a full size item, which is obviously awesome because we're paying $15 and you know that just adds on to the value. So let me go in here and then just get it all out. So we have the little pamphlet that gives us the product information along with a $5 off coupon. So off the bat, we're getting $5 back that you can use on your next beauty purchase at Macy's. Macy's online right now, obviously, because, you know, most of the stores are closed, if not all. And then we have our little bundle here that was in the box wrapped up in our little pink paper. So let me unwrap this. So it looks like we got a good amount of items here. I can tell you off the bat that we did not get in any type of cosmetic bag or any type of bag in this box. I do think I can spot the substitution for this, but I'm just going to start, and I'm going to start with this one here. This is from Kula. This is the Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. This is our little bottle. It's not the first time that we receive a face tan serum or oil. I'm just afraid to use them. You know, I don't want to put on too much self-tanner and then look orange. That's what I'm afraid of. And then on top of that, like, that's what I wear foundation for, you know, to kind of even out my skin tone. And I can always use a different tone of foundation if I needed a little bit on the medium side or a little bit on the lighter side, you know, I can always do that. So I'm afraid of these. So I don't know if I'm going to give this a try just because I'm scared. So this is 70% plus organic. That's what it says. So this is our first item. Second item, I'm going to go in for this one. It is not the first time we received this one. It's from Ahava. It is a Time to Clear Purifying Mask. So this here just looks like a clay mask. And yeah, it just purifies. Like I said, it's not the first time that we get this in our box. So not too excited for this just because it's another repeat. I'm going to go in and I'm going to grab this one. Another brand that is not the first time we receive it is from Kula. It is the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. Complexion correcting. So the thing with this one is that it barely has anything. I'm looking at it against the light, and from this whole bottle, it looks like we only get up to there. Literally just that much. Like, if they're going to give us a sample, like, give us a good sample, you know. So literally it only has from here to here. That's all the product we get. So if you do want to use it, you know, you're only going to get about three tops uses out of this one. So yeah, I don't know. Up next, I'm going to grab this one again. It is not the first time we receive these. It is from Elizabeth Arden, New York, and they're line erasing night serum capsules. So this is how they come packaged at your little cardboard, and you get a small plastic vial that has your capsules inside. Last time I actually gave these away to my mom, so I will ask her if, you know, how she liked them and then let her know that I got more. So another repeat for the box. So this is our fourth item. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to grab this one. It is from Pure. It is Lip Mist Blue Light Defense Illuminating Setting Spray. You know what? This this is the first, well, where did I hear it? I just saw it. Now I guess with all the technology and all the screens that we use through our daily life, they are now creating cosmetic products that block blue light from, your skin. I know, it can damage your eyes. It can, turn them red. It can dry them, and so they created the blue light lenses for glasses. But now I see that they are putting that onto cosmetic items. Like, for example, this setting spray, it says it's a blue light defense. So I don't know if it's the same thing as the glasses, but then if it is, I think that's actually pretty cool that it's now, something to protect your actual skin, not just your eyes. We still have 4 items. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one, which this one, I think it is the substitution for the cosmetic bag that we normally get. But this time they gave us this set of hairpins. They're pretty nice, especially with this whole 90s thing coming back. The hairpins have been one of the things that everybody has been wearing, and these are actually pretty nice. I like this one that has the little like faux pearls. And this one, can just come in handy whenever I'm doing my hair and I just need to hold it back for, so it doesn't get on my face when I'm doing my makeup. So those will actually come in really, really handy. Up next, I think we're down to 3 perfumes, but this one here is like an actual like little deluxe size sample of the perfume. It is from Lancome. It is the Idole. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a little tiny box. And let's see. We get a little tiny perfume. I love these perfumes. I think they are like super duper cute because they look just like the big bottles, but they're tiny. And let me see if I can open it without spilling it. That's always what I'm afraid of with perfumes that come like this, where it's just a little stopper. I feel that I'm going to pull it too hard and it's just going to explode everywhere. Ooh, that smells good. This smells really good. Oh yeah, I really like this one. I've never really tried Lancome perfumes, but this one smells really, really good. So again, that is the name, Idole. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure, but you guys can see it here. Then we are down to the 2 scents that they normally give us. And this time it is from Coach. We have a male scent and we have a female scent. And so the scent for men that we have here just says Coach New York. It doesn't really have any other name on it. So I don't know if that is just the name, Coach New York for men. But that is a picture there if you were to buy the full-size bottle of this. So this one, I'm just going to pass it on to my boyfriend and see if he likes it or not. But we do have the women's scent here. And this one's packaged in a little foil packet. And this one is called Coach Dreams. So let's see what this one smells like. Oh, this one smells really good too. This one is a little bit more on like the softer side. Yeah, I really like this one. Let me see. Does it say the notes? Okay, so this one says the scent combines radiant bitter orange with the sensual warmth of gardenia, cactus flower, and Joshua tree. I didn't even know Joshua tree smelled like anything. But that smells really nice. I really like this one. And I actually don't own any Coach perfumes, but I really like this one. So with that one being the last item from the box, let me really quick read off of the full-size prices for the items that we got here. So just in case, you like any of these items and would like to purchase for yourself at Macy's, you know what they're going to cost you. So I'm going to start really quick with the Kula Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. MSRP for this, for the full size, is $79. That probably explains why we got a tiny little sample for this one. Then we have the Elizabeth Arden Retinol Ceramide Capsules. The full size of this one here would be $84, but I'm assuming you get a whole lot more capsules than just this. Then we have the Pure Lip Mist Setting Illuminating Spray. Full size of this one is $24, so not too bad. Then we have the Kula Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. This one is $54. Oh my God, for the full size, $54. Then we have the Ahava Purifying Mud Mask. Full size for this one is $35. We have the Lancome, the little tiny Lancome perfume. Full size, if you want to buy this one for a 2.5 ounce, it will cost you $123. But this one, I think this one smells really, really good. Then we have the Coach Dreams perfume so this is a female scent that they gave us. For a 3 ounce, you will be paying $102. And then for the male scent, Coach for Men, for a 3.3 ounce bottle, you are looking to paying $85. I never understood why male scents, male perfumes, male colognes are cheaper than the female ones. Like, that's totally not fair. I mean, do you guys not agree? So of course, like I mentioned, this item here does not have a price because that is the substitution for our cosmetic bag that we normally get, that we don't. And like I've said before, I think I like getting these type of items better than the bag itself because I can actually use these items and the bag will just go into a bin under my bed and will stay there for the rest of its life. So that was those were all the items from this box. Down in the comments below, let me know what you all think about this box. I unfortunately got an email that I believe starting May's box, the subscriptions will be paused for everybody, I assume, due to the COVID-19 effect that it is having on, all of the companies that, work with these kinds of things, and all the, just all the companies in general, they are being affected. And this is one of the boxes that will be affected, or that is affected, because on May, or in the month of May, I will not be charged for a box because at the moment they cannot ship them out. So they will, I guess, stop the subscriptions until we hear otherwise with this whole quarantine, stay at home rule, law, or, whatever you want to call it. They will resume packaging and shipping until all of this is over. So this will be the last box until, I guess, all of this whole COVID-19 is over. I hope you are all doing good out there. So that is all from me for today. I will be back really soon with another unboxing. I am still getting other boxes, so I will be back really soon with a video for those. And I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.